Welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, we're Matt and Shelby. We've been traveling full-time for a while now, and we've visited some incredible places. Be sure to check out our other adventure videos and stay tuned for more to come. Last week, we showed you what a typical day looks like during our 2-month stay in Dubrovnik, Croatia. This week, we're taking you up on a hike to Mount Srd. There are so many neat things to see, so we hope you'll stick around and enjoy.
It doesn't look like going on a hike to me.
And this is the starting point. No, we start here from the couch and then we go up the mountain.
We go up the mountain. Shelby and I are going on a hike today because you know what? There's nothing like climbing up a big hill to say that you're alive. We are beginning our trek up to Mount Srd. SRD, what a fun word. Shelby had a very interesting question.
Well, I was just wondering, because it's called Mount Srd, would it be considered a mountain or is it more of a hill? I mean, it does look like a mountain compared to the rest of the town because it's pretty flat, but I don't know, like I can easily see the top. So is that a mountain or is it a hill?
Who knows?
Is there any in between?
Came from up here. Now we gotta go up there more. We've made it to the trailhead.
Now the real fun starts.
After you, milady. Okay, this is extremely cool. Definitely worth coming on. This is like a whole different Dubrovnik, I feel like. Dubrovnik. Isn't this awesome?
Just kind of foresty, is that what you mean?
No, it's just like such a cool trail.
Well, and this lighting is really nice too.
Yeah. You can see like a little bit of the city.
Oh yeah, there's the fortress.
This is really, really epic.
Fortress.
I'm a big fan.
Rocks look like they could be a little slippery, so just watch your step. You can tell a lot of people have been on this trail. It's like so well paved, and the rocks are kind of slick looking, so it's like everyone's stepping on them.
I haven't seen one person yet so far.
No, that's true.
In our opinion, so far, this trail has been cooler than the gondola ride.
Plus, it's free.
Plus, it's free.
Gondola's
so
like $20 a person, I think.
I mean, it's definitely cool, and if you're gonna have dinner up there, it's definitely worth going up.
Yeah, you don't want to get all sweaty when you go to the nice restaurant. But if you're just trying to get to the top, this might be better.
And this is so cool. Now we're on this like medieval path that you definitely like. It used to be an actual road. Cool. So cool.
At the end of each switchback, there's a metal sculpture making up all the stations of the cross. Look at those little people. So cute.
Look at those little people
the
on the
little car
wall.
markers too. Oh my goodness.
This might be one of the greatest hikes I've ever done in my entire life.
Well, it's so beautiful. The weather is perfect. And it's not like overly strenuous. You know?
Yeah.
There's little points where you can take breaks and look at the artwork, which is so cool.
It's just a very, I mean, it's definitely not like an adventurer's hike, but it's just so gorgeous to not get over these views. Shelby found a bug.
Oh, look at it. Look at its colors. See how its colors are so cool and light? I love hearing the cowbells again.
We made it to the top. After many rocky steps, we are safe at the very top. It's a pretty incredible view that we won't show you.
Why do you always do that? It's so funny.
Very big.
So big! The cross at the top of Mount Srd was a gift from one of the other Croatian islands in 1935 as a celebration of 2,000 years since the birth of Jesus. It was actually destroyed during the war in 1991, as was the cable car, but both were reconstructed after the war ended.
So we just got to the top, met some nice people from Charlotte, North Carolina. Now we're making our way back down the big hill, so we'll have to make sure we don't slip and slide, because it's a slip and slidey hill.
But super fun hike.
Super fun,
Not
highly
too
recommend.
challenging. How long do you think it took us? Like a couple hours? Hour and a half?
Yeah, but we like really stopped and took our time, so
Maybe an hour.
we
if
were
we weren't
too
stopping.
busy gawking at all the beautiful views, just as you will be. Incredibly beautiful, super fun.
Yeah. Once you
Not
get
too
to the-
hot. I
once
would
you
go
get-
earlier in the morning rather than later.
Well, right now it's getting
Yeah.
a little toasty and it's like 11:30.
Yeah,
So
if you
probably
wanted
try
to, you could
finish.
always go up for lunch, and then there's a nice restaurant up here. You're probably not going to spend less than like 1,000 kuna.
Yeah, totally recommend it. Once you're at the top, there's great views. There's a few different viewpoints you can take, and there's the huge cross monument. It's super neat. Definitely worth the hike.
Now I'm going to focus on walking.
Good plan. Today we are going to be making truffle pasta. I can't even count the amount of times we ate truffle pasta in Croatia, so we figured we'd show you how to make it yourself. We'll take you along with us to buy truffles in the old city, and then give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make one of our favorite pasta dishes. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun videos to come, and we'll see you next week.